Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make an alt account in Discord. So first, what you'd want to do is open up an incognito window in your browser. So for me, I use Google Chrome. Just right click on that certain browser and click on new incognito window there, and so this will pop up, and search for discord.com. So wait, so now there. So click on open Discord in your browser here, then enter the display name. You could like say alt act 12 or something like that. Just click on that, and there will be a verification. Please click on alt that differs from the others. So just go on with this, and after that Discord will open here, and there will be a date of birth. Just input and go through that. So you can create your first Discord server here, but for now we'll just exit this up and go put on your email and stuff. So once you're done with that, after the email, so this will be your alt account, and you could add your main account by opening your Discord. So click here, you could copy this, go to add friend here, or here. You send friend request. We will verify it again, just like so. So, oh wait, further there. So once you're done with that, as you can see, I sent a friend request to myself. Then go to your account again. So just accept. So that's it, guys. As you can see here. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.